Brad Williams XL Prime. We're going to find the worst 3 golf scores. What does that mean? Worst golf scores. We're looking for the highest. We're also going to look for the worst 5 golf scores. What are we going to use? How about SUMPRODUCT? Why don't we nest a little large in here? Let's see what we're going to do. This looks real familiar, doesn't it? Remember those count ifs? We put that constant list in here, and it represents 1, 2, 3. In this case, the worst 3 golf scores. Here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The key thing here is SUMPRODUCT. SUMPRODUCT multiplies arrays. So we have to figure out the array. Large has to do its job, and it has to pick through some data. No name ranges here. We're going to pick through our golf scores. Look at large, and we have a couple requirements. We have our array, and then we have our K factor. Our K factor, a lot of times, I'm going to put this right next to whatever our requirement is. 1, 2, or 3, but here, it's hard-coded. I don't like hard-coding this. I would prefer to do it singular. Here, we can just do it this way. We can sum it up. That's all we're trying to do. I don't know what purpose this would be. Inventories or what have you. Overstock, I don't know. But here, let's look here. Array, F9. We're going to see these scores. We have 1, 2, 3. Look at our array. We have 2 arrays. That's array 1 based on the large requirement. Now let's back out. Let's look at SUMPRODUCT. We have an array based on our function requirement. It's the first array or range to multiply, then add. Got that? And if we added another array, we'd use that array, multiply, then add. Well, since we only have a single array, we're going to do this and hit F9. We have 90, 88, 86. Then it says the first array or range to multiply, then add. What are we multiplying? We're multiplying by itself. So by 1. 1 times 90 is 90. 88 times 1 is 88. 86 times 1 is 90. Plus, what are you summing? Yourself. So you got 90, 88, 86. What happens? Well, you add those up. The final number is 264. Then 421, go here, array, F9. We're going to go just show these 5 numbers and then we're going to add them up. That's what the large function does. Nice and clean. Over here, you can read this up if you'd like. You can also play around. We have an indirect. You can incorporate, we did the small, and there's endless opportunities using these combinations. And by all means, this is just an example. If you have something more creative, please share it with me and just tell me, what are you trying to do? And if you're stumbling, I'll try to help. Otherwise, if you're one of those future XL ninjas, pass on your brilliance. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.